So today children, we are going to do word problems on rational numbers. Let us start. The cost of two 1/3 meters of cloth is rupees 75 1/4. Find the cost of cloth per meter. Now here let us break this word problem into two. They have given information about many and they have asked us to find per meter. So we know that we have to do division, but sometimes children tend to get confused whether it is multiplication or division, and if they find out it is division, which number will come first, whether 2 1/3 divided by 75 1/4 or 75 1/4 divided by 2 1/3. So to avoid this confusion, let us break down into cross multiplication method. Here the information given in this problem is about meters of cloth and rupees. So we will write here meters of cloth and rupees. This you will do in a rough column. You will be having a place to do rough work. You do this there. So 2 1/3 meter of cloth is 75 1/4. So this is the first sentence which is given in the problem. I have written here. Now what is the second sentence? Cost of cloth per meter. Per meter means 1 meter. So what is the cost of cloth per meter? Now we will do cross multiplication, means we will draw like this two lines. Okay, so now there are two diagonals. Now here the diagonal which is having two numbers, that is 1 and 75 1/4, has to be multiplied, and the diagonal which is having one number, because here there is no number, the diagonal which is having one number, that has to be divided. So this is called cross multiplication method, which will help you to do any word problem regarding multiplication and division. So now this diagonal is 1 into 75 1/4 divided by 2 1/3. So you saw children, now you know that this has to be multiplied, and any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So you will be doing 75 1/4 divided by 2 1/3. So let us come here and do that. 75 1/4 divided by 2 1/3. So this is mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. 75 into 4 is 300. 300 plus 1, 301, divide by 4, divided by 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7/3. 301 divide by 4, multiply by, when you replace division with multiplication, the second fraction will be a reciprocal, 3/7. So now 301 is a multiple of 7. So 7 1s are, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. So your answer is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 43 into 3 divided by 4 1s are 4. Now because the question is in mixed fraction, you also have to do division and find out the answer in mixed fraction. So let us do this in the rough work. 129 divided by 4. So 129 divided by 4 is 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8 minus 1. So your answer is 32 1/4. So 32 1/4 is your cost of cloth per meter. But now you know 32 1/4 can also be written as 32 rupees 25 paise, because 1/4 is 25 paise, half is 50 paise, 3/4 is 75 paise. So your answer is 32.25. Let us go to the next problem, children. If 24 trousers of equal size can be prepared in 54 meters of cloth, what length of cloth is required for each trouser? So here also they have asked about each. So we will do division, but which number? Let us divide this into 2. 24 trousers into 54 meters of cloth. So here the information is about trousers and meters of cloth. So 24 trousers can be stitched with 54 meters of cloth. What length is required for each trouser? Each trouser means for one trouser, what is the length of cloth required. So what will we do? We will do cross multiply, and this diagonal is having two numbers. So that is 1 into 54. And what is the number which is left alone? Because this diagonal is having only one number, that is 24. So we will divide that. So divided by 24. So any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. 54 divided by 24. So we will take this from the rough column and go to the main side. 54 divided by 24 will give us the cloth required for each trouser. So let us divide. (24) divided by 54. So 24 twos are 48 minus, if you do, you will get answer 6. So 54 divided by 24 is 2, 6 by 24. Now if you see children, this fraction can be further reduced. It can be 2, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So 2, 1 by 4 meter. Okay, if you want to write, you can write this as 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 meters also. So hope you understood the cross multiplication method, which will save you from any multiplication and division of rational numbers. Thank you. If you like this video, press the like button. Thank you.